Self-development Lee TV. Writing a book with GPT-4, a guide to writing a book under the theme of artificial intelligence technology of the future. Hello, in this video, we've talked about how to write a book with GPT-4. And I'm going to write a book under the theme of artificial intelligence technology of the future. I'll tell you how to start and how to proceed with this process. First, I will explain the process of writing a book using ChatGPT in 10 steps. Topic selection. Select the topic of the book you want to write. The topic should be specific and clear. Goal setting. Set the period and scope for completing the book. Also, you need to set the audience and the main content they will get from the book. Rough structural plan. Draft a book. In this process, you need to study the topic, and you need to plan the approximate structure of the book. Leverage GPT tools. Use GPT to draft each chapter. At this point, it is important to clearly set the prompt to enter to GPT. Drafting. Drafting a book based on the results of the GPT. What GPT provides is only a guideline, and the necessary parts should be added, and the non-conforming parts should be deleted or corrected. Modify and supplement content. Review the draft again and modify or supplement what is required. In this process, check and correct sentence structure, spelling, logical consistency, etc. Expert feedback. Send completed drafts to relevant experts and receive feedback. This feedback can be further improved or supplemented. Final modification. Final modification will be carried out by reflecting expert feedback. Here, too, check sentence structure, spelling, logical consistency, etc. Preparation for publication. When the final review is complete, select a publisher, and determine the title, cover design, print format, etc. of the book. Publishing and promoting. Publishing and promoting books. After publication, active promotional activities are needed to sell books. This is an explanation of the process and method of writing a book with ChatGPT so far, so let's look at the process of writing a book through specific examples. The book that we're going to write is about AI technology and the future. Let's imagine the artificial intelligence that is already inseparable from our lives, and what it will look like in the future. This book would be an attempt to answer those questions. Topic selection. Select the theme of artificial intelligence technology of the future. This book will cover the understanding of the future of artificial intelligence and its impact on society, economy, culture, etc. Goal setting. The goal of this book is to be completed in 1 month, and is aimed at ordinary readers who are interested in artificial intelligence. Through this book, readers can learn how to improve their understanding of the future of artificial intelligence and prepare for it. Rough structural planning. This book will consist of a total of 10 chapters. Each chapter will consist of the concept, history, current technology, future prediction, social impact, economic impact, cultural impact, ethical considerations, things to prepare, and conclusions. Utilize GPT tools. Give GPT a prompt to explain the history of artificial intelligence. GPT will follow this prompt to generate content about the history of artificial intelligence. I'll give you some prompts that you can use to write a book under the theme of artificial intelligence technology of the future. You can set it differently depending on the topic in each chapter. Please explain the basic concept of artificial intelligence. This prompt will help explain the basic concepts and definitions of artificial intelligence. Please describe the history of artificial intelligence development and major events. This prompt will help you deal with the development of artificial intelligence and key events. What are some things about artificial intelligence technology today? This prompt helps explain current artificial intelligence technology and its applications. What are the future development directions and predictions of artificial intelligence? This prompt is used to explore predictions and possibilities associated with future AI technology advances. What are the effects of AI on society, economy, and culture? This prompt helps you explore how future developments in artificial intelligence can affect society, economy, culture, etc. What are the ethical considerations for the advancement of artificial intelligence technology? This prompt helps address ethical issues and considerations related to AI technology. Each prompt is designed to help you create the topic and content of the chapter. Please refer to these prompts to help you in the process of writing the book. Drafting. Drafting a book based on the results of the GPT. Write the History of Artificial Intelligence chapter referring to the contents provided by GPT. But add the necessary parts, and delete or correct the inappropriate parts. Modify and supplement content. Review the draft again and modify or supplement what is required. In this process, check and correct sentence structure, spelling, logical consistency, etc. Expert feedback. Send completed drafts to ChatGPT and get feedback. Based on this feedback, you can further improve or supplement your book. Final modification. Final modification will be carried out by reflecting expert feedback. Again, check and correct sentence structure, spelling, logical consistency, etc. Preparation for publication. When the final review is complete, select a publisher, decide on the title of the book. The future of AI, what we need to prepare, and decide on the cover design and print format. At this time, we will also review the cover design, preface, and backgate contents with the publisher. Publishing and public relations. The stage of publishing and promoting a book. We make promotional plans with publishers and promote books through various channels such as bookstores, online bookstores, and SNS. In addition, it promotes using various methods such as book reviews, interviews, and lectures to reach readers interested in artificial intelligence. After selecting topics and setting goals, plan each chapter and use GPT to draft. After drafting, we revise and supplement the content, receive expert feedback, and make final corrections. Once you are ready for publication, you will be informed of the book through the publication and public relations stages. Through this 10-step process, you can write a book using GPT. In this process, GPT is simply used as a tool for writing books, and the author's creativity and effort play an important role. So you can apply it or transform it according to the topic you want. I hope you can refer to this method to help you write your own book. Thanks for watching.